Alright, we got our temperature up. Should be. I'm going to shut it down. We're going to see if it starts again. Okay, we're ready? Guess what? Nope. It's been sitting for 4 months. I was hoping. I was hoping something would change. But it didn't. See, it's not the anti-theft, because the anti-theft goes out when you go to kick it. Nope, nope. And as you notice, I didn't have a check engine light either when I... Nope! She ain't gonna start. Well, I'm gonna investigate that further. But at least I now can start it. That was a big thing. It was one of the reasons I wasn't even able to troubleshoot it. So I couldn't start it. So, alrighty. Now, this is where it can sit. It can sit for a while. We'll time it. In about 2 hours it'll start. Every time. I really didn't. I never really noticed it. My daughter discovered it when she drove home, went stopped at the grocery store before she went home, and it wouldn't start. So we waited about 2 hours, and it started up. And I've done it around here a couple times, and it does just what it's doing right now. So I am my first pick. I'm thinking it's got something to do with the coil, because I can feel that plate and it is hot. That means it's might be cooking on the bottom of the coils here. So that's my first suspect is the coil. I'm gonna get me another coil and see if that doesn't fix it. All right, so there we are for right now. I'm gonna wait about 2 hours and I'll set this up again. And it's about 2 hours now, and it's raining again. See if she starts. Oop. Had a kick. Nope. It's gonna take a little longer, I think. Way out now. Holy cow! It ain't quit. It ain't quit raining, and we got snow. Supposedly snow coming tomorrow. So we're the 20th of August right now. So I'm gonna try this one more time. See if she starts. It's been about 4 hours, I think. Nope. Huh. Way beyond the two 2 hour start time. Got nothing. There goes out oil. Oil in the check, but the check engine light. I don't think the check engine light's just gonna go out. Waiting for it to start. I think check engine will stay on. We got anti-theft. Huh. I can check the check engine light, see if I got something pending. Alright, let's see what it says, just for the heck of it. Turn the key on. Wait 10 seconds. 2, 3, 9, 10. Okay, on. Let's go read and see what it says. 'Cause I got the check engine light over here, but I don't know. Let's see. Crankshaft position sensor. Terrific. Sensor A, circuit, range, performance, position. So appears I have it's appearing I have that crank sensor A. And I think that is the one under the harmonic balancer. Because I've just put a brand new one on the one on the back of the block. Great. Okay, I'm going to erase it for now. I'm going to get it to go. Okay. I got no. Yeah, erase it now. I think they're all gone now. Okay. I think they're all gone. Done. Okay. Okay, so they should be clear. So, but that's not going to tell me. If you've got a crank sensor that's not functioning, it's going to shut it down. It's not going to let it start. So, I think that's where we're at. And the thing's got to drain its energy or something before it'll start. I can wait till tomorrow morning and it'll start right back up. But anyway, that's where we're at. Oh, God. So, alright, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, and definitely share. We'll catch you on the next.